as a case study, we'll be sharing about our own startup. Our company's name is BFAX Forex Private Limited. And BFAX, as such, if you see, it stands for, it's an abbreviation of better, faster, and cheaper. BEFACH, better. So we want to make products that are better, faster, or cheaper. So one thing is, when you start a startup, you should have a vision. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to change? So in the terms of a vision, in our companies, we want to make products that are better, faster, or cheaper by at least 4 times. So that there is a huge differential in the type of product when we are imagining it right in the beginning. Even before we create a real product, we are trying to ensure that the product is better, faster, or cheaper by at least 4 times. And obviously, our organizational mission is also there. We want to ensure that we create value for ourselves, our employees, staff, and partners. And what do we value? We value profitable growth. So now some of these values could change from startup to startup. In our case, it's profitable growth, happy customers, ensuring learning staff. We value a lot of experimentation and trials in our organization. We also bring in a BFC thought process, that is better, faster, cheaper thought process in everything we do in our organization. What kind of role company that we want to become in the long term, something like 3M or Godrej. So this is something like a vision statement a startup should have right in the beginning. What are the products that we have in our company? We have a hard water softener. We are around 22 people team. We started 2 years back. We are based out of Hyderabad, and these are our website details. Coming to our product. Now, this is a case study that I'll run through this in the next 15 minutes. So we make this product called as hard water solution. Now, everywhere, especially in South India, Western India, Northern India, a lot of these problems you might have in your bathroom, right? Your showers might be getting clogged, your taps might have a lot of that white scaling, your hair fall problem, tiles might be getting a lot of scaling. So every house in India today has a borewell problem, and borewell has hard water. So 95% of the houses in India have this problem. Now, the current solution for this particular problem is something like this. You would have seen these equipments in somebody's houses or in hotels or in some apartments, right? This equipment is a hard water softener plant. Okay, it costs very high. It costs around minimum 40-50,000 for an independent house and can go upwards. It requires a lot of maintenance. It requires a plumber to install. So because of these things, most of the people don't install this solution and they just live with the problem. What we went and did is we developed a simple solution. It's a very innovative solution. It is not a high cost. It is at 1/10 of the cost of the current solution. Our solution costs just 3,600 as compared to what's there in the market for 40,000. This is costing just 1/10 of that. It requires no maintenance. It requires no regeneration. It has no water wastage. It requires no manpower, no electricity, no plumber required, and absolutely has no toxic material. So we designed this product, we applied for patent. Today, this patent is granted for us for our organization. So it required a lot of trial errors. It just didn't happen. It needed almost like 1 year of huge trial errors for us to come out with this particular product. And sometimes there is issues about customer. Once you make the product, it's not sufficient. We need to know whether the customer is really liking it. So we make a promise to our customer. You can try, check, and validate this product at your home, and you'll see difference in the water. So that's what we mean to say our performance promise. So we share this with our customer in our catalog. And what we also have done is we sell this all across India. We sell this across the whole length and breadth of India. Hard water is there across the whole length and breadth of India. We have tested the water in Calcutta. These are customer reviews. So these are customer reviews in Calcutta, Pune, Chennai, Delhi, and everywhere our product is creating difference in water, and it is creating difference in their lives. So our product actually works across the length and breadth of India. That's what I want to share here in this product. These are customer testimonials. And who are the current players in this product, in this market, in the hard water softener market? There's large companies like 3M is there, Kent is there. There's a company called Bluebird from Australia. There's another hydrogenizer, and there's a large unorganized sector. They are there for the last 15-20 years in India, but in decal we have been able to sell around 30,000 units in India, and today we are the largest seller. Though we are the latest entrant, but we are the largest seller in India. We have a leadership position, and we sell more units than 3M and Kent in hard water softener space. And whom do we sell this to, and whom we don't sell to? This is a very important slide for students. When you make a product, try to understand who is your customer. Our customer independent houses only. We target that. We do not sell to industries because while they also have this problem, apartments also have this problem. We focus only on independent houses. It's very important to know where your focus is. And frankly, for independent houses, the reason we focus them is because they don't have a current solution at all. They take decisions very fast. Whereas apartments, because of their structure, like there's a president and secretary, it's difficult for apartments and factories to take quick decisions. So we want to have a quick decision customer, and that's independent houses. And apart from the product, we need to also look at how do we market our product, So we have an online strategy and we have an offline strategy or online sales. So online sales, we are on Flipkart, we are on Amazon, we are on, we are like, 90% across Amazon, Flipkart, we are already selling all across in India. We sell from Jammu to Madras, from Bangalore to Calcutta to everywhere across India. And a very important part of this online presence is we get immediate feedback from customers. So that's very unique thing, and the best thing of online is we will be able to go to the customers fast. We can get feedback from the customers real fast. However, having said that, the real volumes will come from offline sales through distributors and dealers. And in the next 2 years, we actually plan to go very big through dealers, and that's where the bigger volumes are. So we plan to do partnerships with OEMs like Bajaj Electricals, Racord, other heater manufacturers, tank manufacturers like Syntex. We want to go through modern retail like Walmart and other people. And we want to take this company to a 100 crore company in the next 3-year time frame. We also do some marketing innovation. Innovation is not limited only to product, but we also do some innovation in terms of marketing. We have something called the free demo kit. If you go to our website, it's something, there's a free demo kit. So every customer who comes to our website immediately picks up because it's free. And it has got the same chemical which is there in the actual product, but this is designed only for 1 liter water. The actual product is designed for 3 lakh liters. So first thing is customer price. Then we have some free mobile holders that we give with the actual product. So this can be used as a mobile holder is used behind your smartphone. So customer, when he uses his, he will refer this to others. He'll remember that he's using this product. So this is some innovation in marketing. We also have something on our website where we use promo codes. So if a customer recommends this product, the customer gets some freebies, some cashbacks and all that. So these are designed to keep the customer engaged with our product. So one has to do even innovation in marketing. That's the purpose of this slide. The product market size, you should know what market size, when you talk about product market fit, what you should know how big are you trying to hit. So the market size for this one is around 5,400 crores. We are targeting around 540 crores in the next couple of years time frame. We have reached around 30,000 customers all across India. We are on 30,000 customers across the length and breadth of India. Plan to take it to 27 lakh customers in the next 2-3 years time frame. Now we also have a few other products in pipeline. Again, innovative product. We plan to develop an RO water bottle, something like that. What you are seeing on the left side. Now this water bottle can reduce the cost of water from 20 liters a liter, that is like Bisleri or Kenley that we buy today, to hardly less than 20 paisa a liter. So very disruptive. So we are developing on this. We have already made a 3D design of this particular product. So in the next 6 months to 1 year, our product POC will be ready. Then we'll plan to bring this product also in the market. There's another product which you see on the right side. It's an effluent treatment powder. This powder can reduce the water treatment cost by 80%. Today there's a lot of water wastage that restaurants do, schools, institutions do. They don't have water treatment plants. So we want to come up with a very simple solution to do this.
Sir, your slide is not moving, Uday.
Pardon?
Your slides are not moving. It's fixed. It's only one slide.
No. Oh, there are many slides that I'm sharing.
But now it's new product in pipeline. It is coming.
I am not able to see any slides.
Oh, that right. You have not seen any of the slides?
No, actually I just joined, but I thought after some time it will come. It will never come.
It was only one slide which was there. After that, ab aa gayi nahi slide.
Okay. Wait a minute.
And I can't even write in the chat. It's not available. Chat channel not available and slides not.
Sushant, can you resolve this issue?
1 minute. So 1 minute.
Sir, I think ये issue सर के ही साइड से हो रहा है. हो सकता है नेट स्पीड काफी कम हो.
Oh, I was.
ये हो सकता है कि आप स्लाइड को रन कर दो.
सर मैं शेयर कर दूं क्या?
शायद
आप share
वेब
कर
वाले
दो
में नहीं
तो-
चल रहा है, तो दूसरा मेथड मैं डेस्कटॉप पे
Wait
चलाऊं
a
क्या?
minute. Wait a minute, sir. Wait a minute. सर अभी दिख रहा है?
अभी तो वो फर्स्ट स्लाइड ही आ रही है अभी
अभी
सर
second,
मैं शेयर कर दे रहा हूँ।
अभी सेकंड आ गई,
third.
कंपनी ओवरव्यू आ गया।
हो सकता है सर
Okay, okay. I was not aware of it, sir. So this is the technology issues that we still face. Huh? Okay. Are you able to see this slide, sir?
Yeah, this company overview is there.
Now?
Yes, sir.
Now the hard water problem is there.
Okay. So
Now it's moving.
okay. So let me just quickly run. Shall I run through again? I might then take extra 10 minutes. I'll try to wind up some of these things real fast.
You can.
Yeah. So I have a little fast, guys. I'm sorry I didn't know that you are unable to see. Okay. So I just want to share here that our company stands for BFAT. I'm starting going a little BFAT. And I talked about company vision, so I'll not take much time on this. So it's important to have vision, mission, and what you value in your organization. Quickly, we are a small organization. We are 22 people. And our product is the hard water solution. And these are the problems that you face in India if you have a borewell in your house. So most of you who have a borewell in your house will find these problems. And this is the current solution that you might be seeing somewhere, right? So it's a very high cost solution, requires maintenance, requires plumbing to install. So we came up with a very simple solution. This is our solution, which is no high cost, absolutely maintenance free, regeneration not required. There's no water wastage, no manpower required, no electricity. And we actually tell our customers to also check the product performance at their house. That's our performance promise. We have been selling this all across India. So this is, across Calcutta, Pune, Bombay, everywhere we sell this product. It works. Sushant, you're able to see my slides, right?
Yeah. Carry on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is visible.
Yeah. Who are the current customers? We have there are 3M. There is international companies like 3M, Kent, Bluebird are the bigger companies. But we sell more than them. They are 15 years in this market. We are just 2 years old company, but we sell 30,000 units. We are the market leaders as of now in just 2 years time frame. And these are our customers. For target independent apartments, sell to industry. Reason
Your voice is breaking, sir.
hello.
Sir, actually your voice is not clear.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, sir,
Breaking,
आप
sir.
clear
Your
है
voice
थोड़ा।
is breaking.
Is it better now, Sushant?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I can about lot of noise. I kind of briefed about marketing strategy. It's very important that you don't only have a good product, but you need to know how to market it. So our marketing strategy is primarily online, offline. We are big time into online. We are planning to go very big in offline. We do use some marketing innovations. I kind of briefed that earlier. We follow this process. Customer tries something like free demo kit. After he tries that, we have some products to help people remember our product. And apart from that, we have promo codes which will help customers to recommend our product to others. What's the size of our product? It's around 5,400 crores only in India. So we are targeting 10% of that, around 540 crores in the next 3-4 years time frame is what we are targeting for this particular product. And we are also coming out with some new innovative products. One is an RO water bottle that can help reduce the cost of drinking water from 20 rupees a liter, like what we drink from Bisleri or Kinley, to 20 paisa a liter. We are working on that bottle. Similarly, we are also working on an effluent treatment powder that can reduce the cost of effluent treatment of water by 80%. So these are like disruptive ideas, and we have some of the solutions ready. So we are working on putting the complete solution in place. We got some award recognition. We got some recognition from Telangana government for innovation, from CII, from Coca-Cola India, that we got from retail startup awards this year. We got published in Times of India, so a couple of other places, and we got recognized by Government of India, Startup India. And see, it's not important to just do business on your own. It requires partnership. So we have partnered with, there is an investment partner called Indifeed Technologies who have invested in our company. For scientific partnership, we have a partnership with Indian Institute of Chemical Technology. So it's important that you partner with companies also. So not do all by yourself. Take help of team, take help of people, take help of organizations. This is a quick chart of our growth and profit and loss. This is how we have been growing in the last 2 years. So we have grown almost like 300% year on year since inception. And in the next 23 years, we plan to get into a 100 crore company. So this is our plans, and we have put plans, and we have also the people in pipeline to help us do that. And in the next couple of years, we want to go to BSE SME. We want to get into IPO registered with BSE Stock Exchange, the BSE SME Stock Exchange. This will help entrepreneurs to get our money as well as raise capital easily. For investors, it will be easy for them to exit. That is the purpose of getting into that. And who are the founding members? It's me. I'm from NIT Allahabad, 1990 batch. After that, I did my MBA from XLRI. And apart from me is Rajesh Saraf, who is a ceramic engineer. He's my friend. He's into sales and marketing. I've been into procurement, product development. So there's kind of complementary skills within the team. So we are just the two founders, but now we have a team of around 22 people who help us drive this. So I think rerun through the slides, and now I would suggest if Sushant can talk about his organization, and eventually we can take questions from the student community on anything from startups to business. So between me and Sushant, we can address that. So over to you, Sushant.
Thank you, Uday. It was nice going through your journey, and congratulations to you for doing all this in a very short span of time. Good evening, my friends from MNREC, our dear students, and I thank you all for having me here. And I also thank Jayant Kumar Singh, my senior and my dear friend, and Manjit ji, 84 Mechanical. Thank you, Dr. Pandey, and I also have my friend who's in the mentoring committee, Sudhir Jha, my batchmate of 91 Production Engineering. So I'll briefly introduce myself and take you through my journey. Can you please stop sharing the screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, now okay.
Now we have the video. So I did my mechanical engineering from REC Allahabad 1991 batch, and that's my only qualification. उसके बाद मेरे से पढ़ाई लिखाई हुई नहीं. And I was a good student. I got 84% marks in my engineering, and I was second in mechanical branch at that time in my year. 1991, after graduating on 12th of May 1991, I always had the burning desire to get into business. I come from a very humble background. My father was working for Durgapur Steel Plant at that time, and there was no money, but I had loads of ambition in my pockets. And my father was very cooperative, and he said, "ठीक है बेटा, मेरे को 5 लाख रुपए रिटायरमेंट का मिलने वाला, उसमें से तेरे को 2 लाख रुपए दूंगा, अगर कर सकेगा तो अच्छा बात है, ये तो डिग्री तो है ही, 2-3 साल बाद नौकरी कर लेना." कैंपस में मेरे को एस्कॉर्ट्स में जॉब मिला था. Since dad was in steel plant, Bhilai Steel Plant, that is where I stay right now. I have spent most of my life here in Bhilai in Chhattisgarh. So I got job in Tata Steel also. So I started working on a product, and I started manufacturing unit in 1991 itself after graduating from REC Allahabad. And it was a hard journey initially, of course. With no knowledge, no mentoring, no background, nothing. I have an elder brother who was also working, and I worked hard. God was kind with blessings of elders. I established the market in central India. So I had some tailwinds because the product that I started manufacturing, exothermic sleeves, these are specialty chemicals, metallurgical chemicals that go in manufacturing of castings, steel castings, aluminum castings, copper castings, iron castings, SG iron castings, automobile castings. So at that time, there were very few manufacturers in the country, and most of the material was coming from Calcutta or Bombay at that time. And this being a very lightweight material, freight was almost 10%. So that was my only tailwind. Bhada bachega, to I'll get the market from the existing customers who are here. So within 2 years, I established the market and then went pan-India and then went global. And as of now, also, we export to almost 20-25 countries, and we started exporting in 1995 also. Then I established another unit, then another unit, then another unit, then rest is history. उसमें से कुछ unit successful नहीं भी हुई, उनको बंद कर दिया. And am I audible? Manjeet ji?
You are audible.
Yes, yeah, you are audible. Shashank, please go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Achha, there was some
Very
screen coming. Some screen sharing has started again.
Yeah. Prakhar, there is some screen sharing.
Yeah.
सर वो शशांक सर के साइड से ही हो रही थी स्क्रीन शेयरिंग, तो वो उनको स्टॉप करना पड़ेगी.
Okay. Anyway, I'm fine.
No, it's okay.
Yeah. So then I started diversifying in real estate and then education. So as of now, we have 2 manufacturing units. We merged our activities and usko broadly distribute kar diya hai in chemicals and steel plant products, refractories. So there is one unit Rastogi Industries Limited and one unit Steel Cascade Limited. And we have a construction division. We have about 250-300 workers working in our construction division, Rastogi Builders Private. And put together, I would have a workforce of about 2,000 people working for me now. Our group has 15 nursing colleges in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. We have some schools, K-12 schools, technical institutions, and skill development institutes. So Rastogi Group is present in 10-11 states of the country: UP, MP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, and in Northeast also Tripura. So we train rural students, school dropouts, train them, get them employed. And we are category A PIA, Project Implementation Agency. And we government kya hai wo eligibility banati hai. So we have eligibility to book about 500 crores worth of projects, and we have about 125 crores worth of project in the skill division. Put together, to give you a brief outline, Rastogi Group would have revenue between 125 and I have tried to put systems in place. We have consultants and we have people who are dedicated, and I don't work much now. I work for maybe 2 hours a day, that's it, and spend rest of the time with my family and enriching myself with various other things. Now, this is a brief introduction of me, and as you can see that I have come from a very humble background with no money in hand, and it was sheer focus, dedication, hard work, junoon, jid, which got me through. And I believe most of you attending this today, I mean the students attending this today, probably most of you would be coming from humble background. नहीं तो NIT में नहीं होते, मणिपाल में शायद पढ़ रहे होते. So I know that money is scarce, और लगता है कि काम करना है तो पैसा कैसे होगा. So of course there are many ways of garnering, getting money from investors, whether they are equity investors or private investors or bank. But I find most of the startups, they focus on getting money. अपना focus सिर्फ पैसा लेने पे नहीं, काम करने पे होना चाहिए. And if you work well, money will follow. You do good, money should come as a byproduct to you. I am a startup myself, but I am a startup little old now. I am a startup which is now 29 years old, and I have some old schools of thought. and I'd like to share with you. Every formula is good as long as it works. Whether it is Uday's formula or it is my formula or it is Manjeet ji's formula or anybody else's formula. काम किया तो formula successful, काम नहीं किया तो tried and tested formula of Uday or mine may not work with you. At the end of the day पैसा कमाओगे, successful होगे, community के लिए कुछ करोगे अच्छा, समाज के लिए कुछ करोगे अच्छा, तो आप अच्छे, और नहीं कर पाए तो कोई बात नहीं, no regrets. फेलियर से कभी डरना नहीं है. मैं एक चीज बोलना चाहूंगा अपने कॉलेज जूनियर्स को, that if you're willing to get into business, be very focused about it. Don't take it as an option. कोई ने पूछा क्या करना है, देखो नौकरी भी मिल रही है, फिर देख रहा हूँ कोई स्टार्टअप भी मिल जाए तो भाई तुम नौकरी ही कर लो. फिर स्टार्टअप में जाने के लिए, बिजनेस में करने के लिए बहुत घिसना पड़ता है. दिन दोपहर रात शाम कुछ नहीं होती, ना संडे होता है, ना सैटरडे होता है, ना वीकेंड होता है, ना वीकडे होता है. सुबह दोपहर शाम रात, you eat, sleep, drink your product, your ideas, your business. Your conscious mind and your subconscious mind should talk about business. जब तक if you don't eat, drink, sleep your business, you'll not be able to have a flourishing business. So don't take it as an option कि ये भी मैं देख सकता हूँ. आओ तभी जब कलेजा मजबूत हो, जब पेट में आग हो. You should have fire in your belly. Now, for startups, I have a feeling, and जो मैं पढ़ता रहता हूँ और देखता रहता हूँ, that most of the startups fail, and that percentage is 80 to 90% worldwide. And this is statistics that I'm talking about. And they say they fail because of lack of mentoring. And if you have a mentor, 80% of the startups succeed. So my advice to you would be that if you're thinking of doing some business, and if you're a novice like me, मेरे जैसे थोड़े कम ही successful हो पाते हैं. I was fortunate, God was kind, but don't do that experiment. Better to go in for mentoring. आपके पास में बहुत सारे options मिलेंगे. हमारे college ने इतना अच्छा student mentoring program ये चला रखा है. I'll be happy to mentor few of you. I can fund you also, provided the idea is good and I see the fire in your belly. I think the network is weak. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So you have to tap the opportunity. You have to look for opportunity. हिंदी में कहावत है, अवसरों को पहचानने वाला ही सफल होता है. आप जहाँ के भी हैं, REC इलाहाबाद के हैं, तो आई एम श्योर कि there are students from all over the country, in fact the world. So इंडिया में आप हैं, साउथ में हैं, नॉर्थ के हैं, ईस्ट के हैं, वेस्ट के हैं, वहाँ आप क्या काम करना चाहते हैं, या किसी बड़े शहर में कोई काम करना चाहते हैं, या अपने किसी के साथ में कोई पार्टनरशिप करना चाहते हैं, तो yes, team works. Just like Uday and Rajesh, they are working together and they are complementing each other. अगर उदय अकेला होता तो शायद नहीं कर पाता, और राजेश भी शायद अकेला होता तो काम नहीं कर पाता. This is like वो Heraldite, हाँ, A and B together करते हैं तो वो चीज ही है. Having said that, I am solo. I am the sole owner of this business. I have now next generation joining in. I have my other relatives joining in. But all this I have done all on my own and with very little mentoring from anybody or any particular person or any particular family or anyone else. But you all need to align, make a team, maybe if required. And if you have your father or your brother who's already in business, then you can get into that. Be very focused of what you are doing. Be very disciplined. Time se उठना है, time se काम पे जाना है, time se करना है. Be truthful to yourself and to the customer, क्योंकि सच काम आता है. If you are truthful to the customer would understand that yes, if they had done a mistake, they'll rectify it. गलती करना गलत नहीं है, गलती को छुपाना गलत हो जाता है. So another thing is that look for business ideas which have disruption, because these days आजकल disruption is the key. Disruptive businesses, disruptive ideas. कहीं कुछ किसी को हटाओगे करोगे, वो है ना पिक्चर थी 3 Idiots जिसमें वो बुमन ईरानी बोलता है I am बैंगलोर में कि you have to walk over the dead body of your competitor to be successful in business. तो कसाई भी बनना पड़ता है कुछ मामलों में, थोड़ा दिल मजबूत भी रखना पड़ता है, और बिजनेस को बिजनेस के तरीके से करते हैं, बोलते हैं ना एवरीथिंग इज फेयर इन लव, वॉर एंड बिजनेस. So our group has received many awards, starting from state governments to social organizations, CII, SHM, PhD, and few others. And as I told you, I don't work much. I give more time to social work and try to make this world a better place. And I'm involved with Rotary also, and I'm district governor 22-23 for Rotary district, which covers entire Chhattisgarh, part of Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. And as pointed out by Manjeet ji, PhD Chamber of Commerce, which is about 115 years old chamber, I am chairman of the Chhattisgarh for that chapter. I am also associated with spiritual organizations, Skand Ashram. I am president there for last 3 years, and I am associated with sports organization. I am president of the Chess Association and few others, Industrial State Association, and then I'm running the largest chain in the country of nursing colleges, 50 nursing colleges. So I'm president of the Madhya Bharat Nursing Association also. And for the Foundry, I'm in the Executive Council, National Council for Foundrymen. And for the Skill Development Association, I am heading one of the associations of skill development project implementation agencies. So why I am telling you all this is leadership. That when you represent all these organizations, you meet people. जैसे उदय बता रहे थे Kent, तो PhD का जिसका मैं चेयरमैन हूँ, Kent के जो ओनर है महेश गुप्ता जी, is a personal dear friend of mine, and I have attended many of his sessions, and he is also like us. उनके पिताजी भी नौकरी करते थे, कुछ 100 रुपए की, कुछ 1000 रुपए की, उन्होंने काम चालू किया, and Kent is what Kent is, वो हेमा मालिनी वाला प्रोडक्ट अगर आप ऐसे याद रखेंगे उसको तो, and it's a $1 billion company today. So I'm also with this. The award is not just money anymore right now. Like I am in the steering committee of state government's skill development, technical education and employment committee. तो हम जिस कमिटी में बैठते हैं उसमें सारे आईएएस ऑफिसर्स बैठते हैं. वन ऑफ द आईएएस ऑफिसर इज सेक्रेटरी. हम उससे सवाल पूछते हैं, वो जवाब देता है. So we are able to give good inputs to the government, and government also recognizes our inputs. रिवॉर्ड यही है जीवन का, जो रिकॉग्निशन है या जो आज नॉलेज के कारण गवर्नमेंट भी सुन रही है और उनमें से कई सारी पॉलिसीज को इम्प्लीमेंट कर रही है. गवर्नमेंट जो पॉलिसीज बनाती है वो हमसे आपसे सुन के तो बनाती है, हमारी समस्याओं का निवारण के लिए तो पॉलिसी बनती है. सो अभी आपको पैसा कमाना है, नेक्स्ट स्टेज में फिर आना जाना तो लगा रहेगा, मंजीत जी के साथ में सानिध्य बना रहेगा. एंड पैसा कमाना मुश्किल है, पैसा संभालना ज्यादा मुश्किल है. तो अमिताभ बच्चन का किसी एक पिक्चर में डायलॉग था कि पैसा तो कमाना आसान है लेकिन पैसा संभालना मुश्किल है. So once you make money, then we'll have separate session of how to retain money. It is easy to become successful for a short period of time, but then to be continuously successful for year after year, decades after decades, and for your entire life, you need a lot of planning, meticulous planning. And उसकी आज से तैयारी करिए. आप पैसा कमाएं, थोड़ा थोड़ा पैसा सेव करते चलें, कुछ ना कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करते चलें, so that your entire money is not invested in your own business. It is also kept aside as your reserve income. कई लोगों को लगता है बिजनेस बहुत रिस्की है, बिजनेस बहुत रिस्की है, बिजनेस बहुत रिस्की है. रिस्क लाइफ में किस चीज में नहीं है? सड़क में चलने में रिस्क नहीं है, नौकरी करने में रिस्क नहीं है, पॉलिटिक्स का शिकार नहीं हो सकते आप नौकरी में कि आपके बॉस ने, आपने अच्छा काम किया, बॉस ने क्रेडिट ले लिया, आपने नौकरी छोड़ दी, आप कभी अंडर परफॉर्म कर गए तो आपको नौकरी से निकाल दिया गया. तो मेरे तो सब तरीके के फ्रेंड्स हैं. आई हैव फ्रेंड्स हु आर इन जॉब, हु आर प्रोफेशनल्स, आई हैव फ्रेंड्स हु आर इन बिजनेस. सो दोनों जगह रिस्क हैं, कहीं कम कहीं ज्यादा, और वो कहीं कम कहीं ज्यादा पासिंग द पार्सल खेलते रहते हैं, म्यूजिकल चेयर खेलते रहते हैं. कभी रिस्क जॉब्स में ज्यादा है, कभी. And Uday, he has worked, so he has been both the sides. He has worked also, and he is now an entrepreneur also, innovative entrepreneur I call him. So I think Uday, मेरे 15 मिनट खत्म हुए, and I'll be happy to answer questions if they are coming to you or me.
Yeah.
Thank you, Manjeet ji. Thank you, Pandey ji.
So great, Sushant. I think Sushant, if you can moderate and ask anyone who wants to ask questions, you can go ahead. Sushant.
Yes, sir, sure. सर सबसे पहले तो लाइक आई हैव वन क्वेश्चन. हम बहुत से लोगों का ये डाउट है कि कॉलेज के साथ साथ कैसे स्टार्ट करें. लाइक कॉलेज में स्टडीज मैनेज के साथ भी काफी लोग इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं, आइडियाज भी होते हैं, बट कॉलेज के साथ ही कैसे मैनेज करें?
I'll take that question, Sushant. Yeah, thank you. What you need to do is you need to get registered yourself with organizations like Internshala. There is a website called Internshala, and ये क्या करती है कि ये जैसे studying students है, first year से fourth year के जो students है, you can get registered there. And lot of startups, especially like companies like us, we cannot afford to employ for a new idea, you know. It's not a full-time employment, but we want to get that idea validated. So हमें 2 महीने के लिए कोई resource चाहिए रहता. So we go to Internshala. We had before we came out with this product, we had good around 50 to 60 interns doing different ideas. This is the idea which is succeeded, which I'm sharing. But there were around 14, 15 ideas which we have dumped in the dustbin. So all. So you have to get registered with companies like Internshala. Go and work with a lot of startups which across India. Work just you'll get to learn a lot of those things.
So thank you so much. It was indeed a nice answer.
Yeah.
Anyone else having questions? Please, you people can ask.
Good morning, sir. I have a question. Sir, what attributes or qualities should we look into a person before including him or her in our team?
Integrity.
सर क्या एट्रीब्यूट और क्वालिटी देखनी चाहिए किसी को अपने टीम मेंबर बनाने के पहले?
If you can judge his integrity, पार्टनरशिप करना बहुत आसान है, किसी को टीम में बना के उसको निभाना और एक लंबे समय तक उसको निभाना, it's a big task. थोड़े समय बाद जब प्रोडक्ट चल जाता है तो हर आदमी सोचता है मैंने ज्यादा काम कर दिया, मेरे कारण हुआ है. So integrity is important, and to understand empathy is important. So look for these things. बाकी टेक्निकल और नॉन टेक्निकल और कमर्शियल तो ट्रेड्स आते जाते रहेंगे. किताब पढ़ो, यूट्यूब देखो, नेट में देखो, तो बहुत सारी जानकारियां मिल जाएंगी.
How do you judge these things?
जीवन उसी का तो नाम है भाई.
Sir, how do you judge these things? Like in 1 hour interview, how would you judge something? 1 hour or working with somebody for only 2 weeks, or even for 1 year only when things are very exciting? How would you judge this thing?
That's what I'm saying. That judging it and understanding it, आदमी पहचानना ही तो सबसे बड़ी क्वालिटी है. आज रतन टाटा इसलिए कि उसने अपने आदमी पहचान सके. जो मुकेश अंबानी ने अपनी टीम बनाई वो इसलिए कि वो आदमी पहचान सका. So that you have to follow your gut feeling. You have to, maybe 2 weeks या 1 hour का इंटरव्यू के पहले you have to have proper input of that guy. उसके बारे में सब पता चलेगा. ways and means के थ्रू और बाकी चीजों के थ्रू आप अपना उसको देख सकते हैं. उसकी प्रोफाइल क्या है, स्किल सेट्स के एंडोर्समेंट कैसे हैं. There are few ways that you can see that. Maybe Uday can add something to it.
Yeah, I think I'll just rephrase it in 2 words. Good decisions come with bad judgments, which you have done earlier. So it's a cycle. You do some bad judgments, you learn from that, and then you make, going forward, you then know how to do good decisions. So the success to making good decisions for team members is initially you will make some bad decisions. There's nothing like you will do it right on day one. So it is trial and error. You like whatever Shashank has been talking about getting the right people. It will come through a lot of experience. It is not a formula. It will come through a lot of trial and error. So judging people is not easy. It's not a mathematical formula. So it will come through experience.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
I have one question. I have one question from. The question is how to find a product for which I should invest my rest of the life, or how a product is to be selected for which a startup is to be started. How I will know about that particular product?
Yeah, I understood your question. See, how do you choose a product is primarily dependent on 2 factors. One is the internal factor and other is the external factor. So the internal factor is what are you good at? Are you good at castings like Shashank is? Are you good at artificial intelligence? Are you good at civil engineering? Are you good at metallurgical engineering? So what are you good at? That is the internal element of yours. And the second thing is the external element. The external element, does the market require this particular product? So if you are good at, say, at artificial intelligence, then you should try to do something in the artificial intelligence space. But suppose if you are not good at artificial intelligence, but artificial intelligence is growing leaps and bounds, doesn't mean that if you jump into that. If you jump into something that you really don't know, just because the market size is growing, there is a hype in the market, you may obviously end up being in that 80-90% of the startups that fail. Okay, so it's very important that you understand yourself first, and you understand the outside market, and then absolutely make this marriage. There's nothing wrong in being a civil engineer. Even now, there's nothing wrong. You don't have to be a computer science graduate. Even now in civil engineering, there are enough breakthrough ideas that are coming through. So if you are good at civil engineering, you love civil engineering, find a product in the market like precast. That's, I think, really going. So innovative housing. So even you can do in civil engineering side. So don't get bogged down to just only computer science. If you are good at one particular area, just find a product in the market that needs it. That's the way to go.
To add to that,
in the product design and development phase, this phase is called the need analysis or the feasibility study, in which the feasibility or the analysis of a need which is coming from a society is done. So please give some light on this.
Ishan?
I'll first answer the product question. The thing is that don't think that you will select a product और उससे आप शादी कर लोगे और आपको 40 साल 50 साल आपका काम चला देगा. Look at 5 years to 10 years. आज के ज़माने में if you have a product, if you last for 5 to 10 years, it is good enough. You have to be constantly on move, constantly on search, constantly on digital, constantly looking for opportunities and ideas. I didn't get that question a little later. What was it regarding? Feasibility study.
Hello.
Did you get that question? If you got it, can you please answer?
Yes, Abhishek, you had few questions. Abhishek Mishra, are you there?
Yes, sir. I have a question for Uday, sir. Sir, I saw your presentation, and you say technical partner with the ICT Mumbai. So, what prevented you, or what influenced your decision to go with ICT Mumbai and not your own institute, MNREC or MNNIT Allahabad?
No, see, look, that's a nice question. But you see, you will find resources everywhere. So we are based in Hyderabad, and this institute, Indian Institute of Chemical Technology, is based in Hyderabad, not Bombay. It's very much based here in Hyderabad. So we will try to leverage Indian Institute of Chemical Technology in Hyderabad, their R&D facilities, their people resources. So that makes more sense for us than to go to Bombay or even to MNIT, we are alumnus of. So it is just finding resources and partnering with the resources available to get going.
But will you be in future interested in partnering MNIT also?
If required,
yes, of course.
Yes, of course. If required, yes, of course.
Thank you, sir.
Obviously.
Sir, we very much require your experience in our student mentorship program. We will talk about this later on.
First of all, let me introduce Abhishek also. He is a 2008 civil engineering pass out, and he is assistant commissioner PPF and EPF in Ahmednagar in Maharashtra, and he is a very much buoyant with the idea of AGRIM. AGRIM is which we are doing for the benefit of our final year students. Please, Abhishek, explain something about AGRIM to the Shashank and Uday, so that you can.
Okay, sir. Sir, AGRIM stands for Academic Grooming Through Research and Innovation at MNNIT. It is primarily it wants to focus in synergizing the ideas from alumni and getting them executed in the institute. Such ideas which have some industrial link, which have some potential in the market, those ideas can be developed into, say, a good marketable product, or it can lead to intellectual property generation, and it can bring name and more reputation to the already glorious reputation of our alma mater. So it is about partnering with the alumni and the alma mater, and taking things forward from here, and bringing in the best of the industries for their own industry sponsored projects. So I'll share the concept presentation with you. I'll mail it to you, both of you, sir.
Sure. I think you should put it in the group.
Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Good initiative.
Thank you, sir.
So I think Bhavi Kator have some doubt. Bhavi, you can ask. Bhavi, you have raised your hand. Are you there?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I just wanted to ask, how do we test our product before launching it in the market? Like, what are the set parameters?
Will you please a little bit louder? Bhavi, will you please a little bit louder?
Am I audible now?
Yeah, you are audible, but a little bit, please be a little bit more louder.
Okay, so is it better?
Welcome,
Yes,
Rajiv,
yes.
sir.
Please carry on. Please carry on. Bhavi.
Hello.
Yeah. Please go ahead with
your question.
So how do we test our product before launching in the market? What are the parameters that we should be looking for? These should be the things that should be there in our product, or how do we test it?
There is no one formula for testing a product. Depends what product it is. If it is hardener like what Uday is selling, then the parameters are different. It is my product. I make hot metal pass through it. So basically it depends upon the product, and look for some IS specifications. If there are IS specifications for that product, you can test your product as per the IS specifications. It totally depends upon the product. There is no one formula which fits all. Uday can add.
Yeah, I think, see, what you can also do apart from the technical things that Shashank has mentioned, what you can do, I'm talking about the software things. What you can do is actually go into the market. Okay, you should actually go into the market, talk to a few customers, make a very, a 2D design of your product on a paper before you actually make a 3D of your product. Make a sketch of your product, go to the customers in the market whom you think are your users. Talk to them about these features and benefits. Will they like it? Will they not like it? What are their comments? What are their issues? So do that survey even before you start building the product. So a lot of that is so-called the POC, proof of concept of your idea. So once the idea is, customers really like the idea, they say that, yeah, bhai, main istemal karunga, this is really good, I will really want to try this. That is when you actually make the POC. After you make the POC, again go to the customers. After the POC is made, and when the customer likes it, then actually get into making the production. This is a lean startup methodology, what they say, and that's, I think, a better way to do it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome.
I got your point.
Hello.
Yeah.
And I want to ask a question.
Welcome, Rajiv, sir. Our MNIT is also here. Rajiv, sir, are you? Rajiv, sir? Rajiv, sir has joined.
मैं यही हूँ.
चलिए सर, बस इतनी खुशी मिल गई कि आप यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं. वो दिल में एक मोटिवेशन और इंस्पिरेशन आ जाती है पूरी MNIT को कि राजीव सर यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं और सुन रहे हैं.
नहीं, मुझे थोड़ा देर हो गई ज्वाइन करने में, कुछ लोग आ गए थे उस चक्कर में.
सर वो हमें मालूम है देर आपके पास काम इस समय बहुत ज्यादा है, लेकिन हमें ये मालूम है कि आप ये सेशन को अगर शुरू में नहीं आएंगे तो कंक्लूड जरूर करेंगे।
अगर हमारा एलुमनाई कहीं पर भी है, मैं पूरा प्रयास करता हूं पहुंचने का। Please go ahead with your session. Maybe at the end I can talk a little bit.
Nice having you, sir.
शशांक?
ये मिस्टर शशांक।
शशांक जी, अब आपको अगली बार 2020 से या 21 से बेसिकली अब कॉलेज से भी कुछ ना कुछ व्हाटएवर इट इज कुछ रिक्रूटमेंट करनी है,
कर लेंगे।
इसी बहाने आप जुड़ेंगे तो और बॉन्डिंग और आपको जो जैसे अभिषेक का अग्रिम का आइडिया था, उसमें आपको टेक्निकल कोई सपोर्ट, कोई आपके प्रोजेक्ट में कोई इनोवेशन चाहिए, इसमें कोई कॉलेज से सपोर्ट चाहिए, एल्बिनी को प्रोजेक्ट की गाइडेंस चाहिए या कुछ व्हाटएवर इट इज, तो आपको मतलब इट विल बी म्यूचुअल। अभिषेक का आइडिया बहुत अच्छा था और कॉलेज के साथ आप जुड़ के एक बार दोबारा अपने रिलेशंस रिवाइव करके आई थिंक इट विल बी अ म्यूचुअल बेनिफिट इफेक्ट जो सबको मिलेगा, बच्चों को भी मिलेगा, फैकल्टी को भी मिलेगा और आपको भी मिलेगा।
जरूर जरूर जरूर। हमको ना भी मिले सर कोई बात नहीं, कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट को मिलना चाहिए। दे आर द पीपल हु नीड इट द मोस्ट एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम।
शशांक, ऐसा ना कि आपको एक सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलेगा जो आप मेरे ख्याल से वो हमेशा आपको जिंदगी में चाहिए ही होता है।
बस बस वही उसी की तलाश में है सर।
Okay. Sushant, I request Sushant, please carry on. Please start the session.
Yes,
Bhargav Boga has raised hand since long.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I have a question. Sir, now I have a product now. And my question is, like, what do I do, like, initial stages of turning that product into, like, getting it off the shelf and turning it into a company? Like, what are those initial stages?
Uday?
Actually, your voice wasn't clear. Can you please repeat the question?
Hello. Is it audible now?
Yeah, but
yes, sir. My question is, suppose like if I have a product now in my hand which I see a potential in, like what are those initial stages, like turning that product into a company? Like what are those best practices should companies founders should start?
yeah, what you should do is see, I in the beginning kind of shared that that you know the idea stage is the most fragile stage and where you need to do the most research. Okay, so when you make the idea, when you make the product, you should, I kind of repeated that for that earlier girl, you should actually test it with different clients, different customers. Do they like the product? How are the benefits of this product? You should do a lot of survey at the POC of your product before you make it into a company. Creating a company is hell lot of government regulations are there. So don't make a company unless you start getting positive feedback from your customers. Will give a lot of feedback, positive, negative. So work on that feedback. Once you really get a confidence that it's really worth going on, then is when you start making a company. Company registrations, I would say, should be in second phase of your product creation.
So now moving ahead, Prasad Shukla has some question. Prasad, you can ask.
Afternoon again, sir. So this question is for KM Pandey sir and for college administration. Sir, what are the resources in college with which we can benefit from?
Shashank?
This question is to me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
What type of resources do you think about? We have a workshop where you can do the mechanical type of things, so the welding or the lathe or the turning, casting you can do, or the carpentry work you may do. And the students are doing in the SE club. They were making different type of vehicles. The racing car, they made the racing car. They made cycle. They made electric vehicle with the help of workshop, and other laboratories are there. We have incubation center where you can go and present your idea, and that center will help you in converting that idea into reality.
Sir, I looked for the incubation center, but I couldn't find any website or link in our college website for that.
Actually, that is there. The main problem is searching of that site. People say that there is no any form. The students say that there is no website for Dean Student Welfare. There is no site for medical insurance, but everything is there on our website. The only thing is search of that coming to that particular site. It is available on our website.
Okay, sir.
I
Thank you,
will, I
sir.
will please interact with me. I will give you the exact address of that web page.
Even you could write to Dean SW.
Yes.
PTP. Just write email to us. I will inform you. No issue.
Yes. You can write mail on deansw@mnit.ac.in and I will give you the link. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Susant, yes.
Hello. Sir, I'm Prasant. I want to ask. Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Please go ahead.
Sir, both of you, Sasank sir and Uday sir, has talked about that your ideas should be disruptive. So our ideas should be such that our ideas should be able to solve the problem of the world or society. So what should we do if we don't have ideas? Suppose you were in Tata Steel, you have got the problem that certain chemical or certain agent was not available in that area. So you have gone in search of that product and you have developed into that. And Uday sir has found that water hardness problem. So what we can do if we don't have idea and we have our strength, but first we have to look for what is the problem in the world. And so what we for that idea कि ऐसे कैसे सोच सकते हैं कि सेब गिरेगा तो न्यूटन के दिमाग में चमका, तो वो चीज करने के लिए क्या करना है?
भगवान की आराधना करो।
मैं जरा इसमें थोड़ा सा ऐड
आइडिया आएगा, देखो उसको, लुक फॉर अपॉर्चुनिटीज। मैंने अपने उद्बोधन में कहा था ना, अवसरों को पहचानने वाला ही सफल। आपको उस अवसर को देखना होगा, वो अवसर आपके इर्द गिर्द कहीं कहीं है, आपको उसको देखना होगा।
मैं इसमें थोड़ा सा ऐड करना चाहता हूँ इस सवाल में, अगर आप लोग अलाउ करें तो।
अरे सर बिल्कुल
बेटा सेब तो बहुत दिन से गिर रहा था, तो ऐसा तो नहीं था कि पहले नहीं गिरता था, तो न्यूटन ने देख लिया, न्यूटन को आइडिया क्लिक कर गया। ऐसा तो नहीं था कि न्यूटन के देखने के पहले सेब नहीं गिरता था। Anyway, so what I want to say is that's good. In fact, I encourage this kind of questions. It's good that you ask this question. And the problem is that we are not a developed nation where there is a dearth of opportunities. We are developing nation. We have problems in and around us, societal problem, technical problem, all those issues which we face in a day-to-day manner. लेकिन हमारा जो mental setup होता है, वो शायद इस तरह का बन जाता है कि हम ये मान के चलते हैं कि नहीं, this is like this only, we have to accept it. So that is where, if you are jagruk enough, if you are able to see that this is the kind of problem which everybody is facing, why can't we provide a technical solution to this issue? Right? That is how you can derive the idea. I can tell you around 9 or 10 startups are already working from our hostels, और ऐसा नहीं कि कोई बहुत नोबल आइडिया लेकर के वो आए हैं। अभी हम लोगों ने जो टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रांसफर किया है बैंगलोर की एक कंपनी को, इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल। इनफैक्ट वो जो कंपनी वाला था वो कह रहा था कि सर ये डिजाइन किसी को बताइए नहीं, क्योंकि ये इतना सिंपल है कि ये कोई भी बना सकता है। सो इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ क्लिकिंग द आइडिया एंड द इट्स एप्लीकेशन, और वो तभी आएगा जब आप अपनी समस्याओं को आसपास जो देख रहे हो उसके प्रति आपको जागरूक रहना पड़ेगा, और आपको ये सोचना पड़ेगा अच्छा ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये यार सब लोग फेस कर रहे हैं, व्हाई कांट वी कम आउट विद सम काइंड ऑफ टेक्निकल सॉल्यूशन। दैट्स हाउ द क्रिएटिविटी इज जनरेटेड, and that's where and how you can contribute, right?
बहुत बढ़िया सर, एक्सीलेंट।
And we all are there, this as an institution, we all are there to support. It's quite possible कि हमारे पास उतनी सुविधा उस समय नहीं है, but I am always open to talk to you and find out a mentor from faculty. Faculty mentor कोई जरूरी नहीं कि faculty mentor हो, you can be of your own mentor। और बहुत सारी सुविधाएं हैं, जैसे अभी प्रोफेसर के.एन. पांडे डीन स्टूडेंट वेलफेयर बता रहे थे कि बच्चों में पता ही नहीं है कि ये चीजें हमारे यहाँ है। अभी इतने, जैसे उस सवाल में भी मैं इंटरवीन करना चाहता था, लेकिन फिर मैं सोचा चलो पांडे जी जवाब दे रहे हैं तो कोई बात नहीं। देयर आर नंबर ऑफ क्लब्स व्हिच आर प्रोमोटिंग दीज थिंग्स, देयर आर नंबर ऑफ एक्टिविटीज व्हिच आर गोइंग ऑन हियर, बट अब कई जगह से जब ये बातें आती हैं तो मुझे खुद अपने आप में लगने लगता है कि probably we are doing these things in isolation. It should be more open to students also. बच्चों को जानकारी और ज़्यादा disseminate करने की ज़रूरत है। This is the advantage which I got by interacting on such forums. So that is what I wanted to add. Please go ahead with your ideas.
I'll add to this, प्रकाश, इनका क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छा था, सही क्वेश्चंस होने चाहिए। डू समथिंग, कुछ सोचो, कुछ करो। ये मत सोचो कि आपको परफेक्ट आइडिया पहली बार में मिल जाएगा। सस्ता, सुंदर, घटिया जैसा आता है करो, उसके ऊपर में काम, भले फेल हो। एक आम के पेड़ में जितनी बौर लगती है ना, अगर उसका 10% भी फल लग जाएगा तो आम तो का पेड़ तो गिर जाएगा। तो हर आइडिया, ऑल एग्स डोंट हैच, सो कीप डूइंग, सोचते रहो। कोई मजाक भी उड़ाए तो कोई बात नहीं, अच्छे आइडिया का पहले मजाक ही उड़ता है।
हाँ, जो भी आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सोचता है उसका मजाक ही उड़ता है,
मजाक ही उड़ता है।
एग्जैक्टली।
दुनिया अगर आपके तो समझो आप सही जा रहे हैं।
या जो, लेकिन जो आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सोचता है वही कुछ आगे करता है अलग, नहीं तो सब लीक से ही चलते रहते हैं। और अभी जिन्होंने ये प्रश्न पूछा था कि हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट के वेबसाइट पे कहीं कोई जानकारी नहीं है स्टार्टअप के बारे में, तो मैं उनको बताना चाहूंगा कि हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट का जो वेबसाइट है www.mnit.ac.in, उसके फ्रंट पेज पे ही एक लिंक है, फ्रंट पेज पे ही बड़ा सा, जो कि इंस्टीट्यूट इनोवेशन पोर्टल लिखा हुआ है। आप उसे क्लिक करिए, आपको सारी जानकारी मिलेगी।
और एक चीज मैं और ऐड करना चाहूंगा, शशांक जी ने कहा था अफसर को संभालो, तो अफसर ऑफिसर वाला अफसर नहीं है, ये अफसर मतलब अपॉर्चुनिटी वाला अफसर है। क्यों शशांक, am I right? शशांक, हेलो शशांक, am I audible?
Yes.
मैंने कहा, आपने कहा था कि अफसर को पहचानो, मैंने कहा अफसर ये ऑफिसर वाला अफसर नहीं है, ये अपॉर्चुनिटी वाला अफसर है।
हाँ, अपॉर्चुनिटी है।
Okay, I'm Jayanth from 90 batch. Pandit, I'm Jayanth from 90 batch from Mumbai. I have logged in to hear our illustrious alumni Shashank, Manjeet, and I see that initially there is a good forum with of the students as well as our college faculty, including Tripathi ji. Good to have all of them. my request to all the students would be that please catch hold of these two successful entrepreneur and industrialists. Questions पूछिए, आपको ये opportunity है, नहीं तो आपको बाद में mail करना पड़ेगा. It is a good opportunity. Come out and don't hesitate in asking questions. You might get some relevant creative ideas. Please go ahead.
Yeah, Mr. Sushant, Mr. Prakhar.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Please.
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, Ayush Kumar Singh has raised the hand. Ayush, please ask your question.
Good afternoon, sir, to both Shashank sir and Uday sir. So my question is that, like, you started startup some years ago, like maybe a decade ago. So, sir, at that point of time, when your startup was in the budding stage, the marketing strategy or the publicity strategy was different. Now, sir, अभी जो scenario है कोविड का, इसमें अगर कोई startup budding stage में है, जैसे शुरू ही हो रहा है, तो क्या marketing strategy रखे? आपदा को अवसर में कैसे बदलेगा?
Yeah, I'll take that question. Yeah, see, while you are developing a product, that's a pretty nice question, you know. See, while you're developing the product, don't just focus on the product only, okay? So, 70-80% of your mind should go in the product, but definitely 20% of your mind should be, how am I going to market it? There is no use of a great innovation that is kept in an almara, okay? So you always, a good product has to come in the market, and that's where the benefit is. So always think, when you make a product, how am I going to take it to the market? Am I going to what is going to be the distribution channel? How am I going to market it? Am I going to market it on Facebook, YouTube, or is it going to be offline dealers, online dealers? How am I going to market it? दिमाग में हमेशा चलना चाहिए, because based on that you will modify your product. Just to give an example, with our current product, we designed our product with zero plumbing activity, zero maintenance activity. So we can actually dispatch it online. Sitting in Hyderabad, we can sell it in Jammu and Kashmir. But today 3M or our other manufacturers can't do it because they require a plumber to go and fit that device. Our device doesn't require any plumbing activity at all. So you need to understand, how are you going to install it at the design stage itself. So do always think backwards. Keep the end in the mind. How my product is going, customer is going to install, how can I make it easy? Think that in the design stage. That
So
will
like
help you.
my startup is more oriented towards the like human resource, and I
Okay.
can't interact with people due to this COVID scenario, due to these unprecedented times. So how to go about interacting people online and make it efficient and gain their trust as to like they should like my product. Because I can't meet people directly and I can't publicize my product and going colleges to colleges, going places to places, addressing people, but I have to do it online. Can you present a specific effective idea for this?
Yeah, I see what we need to understand your context. I think situations like yours, for a specific question, I think you can take my number or Shashank's number. You can reach out to us separately after the call. That will be a longer discussion, because we need to understand the context.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sure, sir.
So I would like to ask, since it is difficult for you to interact with your customer, so it's difficult for a customer also to interact with the vendor. So, अच्छा है ना? You try to interact on Zoom or some video call or set up something, and then you try to do that way. COVID times का नहीं है.
Pardon, sir, but you are not
आयुष के
audible.
सवाल पर मैं जरा सा आयुष के सवाल को 1 मिनट में बताना चाहूंगा. बेटा, you have got better opportunity if you are doing something. You have, as of now, you have got the platform of this institute. I'll tell you that during COVID period, in the first lockdown, I called my young biotechnology faculty colleagues, क्योंकि बच्चे नहीं थे, और अब मैं उनको केवल इतना सा बोला, हमने कहा यार हम लोग बैठे हुए हैं यहाँ पर, सब कोरोना वेकेशन टाइप एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, हम लोगों को कुछ करना चाहिए समाज के लिए. और बहुत देर तक बातचीत होती रही. And I'm proud to say that within 2-3 days, one of the faculty member called me and he said कि सर आप गेस्ट हाउस आ सकते हो क्या? मैंने कहा हाँ बिल्कुल आ जाऊंगा, बोलो. तो मैं गया, and within a period of 2-3 days, they came out with couple of ideas, and I'm proud to say कि एक आइडिया बहुत तेजी से, वो बहुत लो कॉस्ट था, तो उसको तो हमने कहा इंस्टीट्यूट की तरफ से कोरोना वॉरियर्स को दो, फेस शील्ड था वो, and that face shield design was completely different than whatever was available in the market. And when I interacted with the doctors, they said कि ये आपका बहुत अच्छा है, क्योंकि नॉर्मल फेस शील्ड जब हम यूज करते हैं, सांस लेते हैं, तो हमारे चश्मे पर ये भाप जमा हो जाती है। हम लोगों ने उस पर ऊपर छेद कर रखा था जिससे वो भाप निकल जाती थी। तो सेकेंड वेरिलाइजर का फेज आया, उसको पूरा पंप एंड शो के साथ हमने लॉन्च किया, और उसका असर ये हुआ कि अखबारों में जब वो छपा तो इमीडिएटली इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट पीपल दे केम, और इमीडिएटली उन्होंने हमको ऑर्डर दिया, करीब 25 लाख का ऑर्डर दिया, और हम बना नहीं पा रहे थे उसको उस समय लॉकडाउन पीरियड में। तो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज दैट as of now you have got a good platform. You come out with the idea. If you have a prototype, we will publicize it on our platform. और MNIT के नाम से जब publicize होता है तो आदमी उसको एक बार तो तवज्जो देता है, ये बात न देना उगाने लगे। So that is how you can start. अभी एक स्टार्टअप बच्चों ने ही शुरू किया, जो कि एक बच्चा कोई ट्रेन में जा रहा था स्लीपर क्लास में, उसको ठंडा लगा, तो उसने कहा स्लीपर क्लास में पेट्रोल क्यों नहीं मिलता है। एंड हमारे DRM यहाँ अमिताभ थे, उनको हमने कहा ये भाई पायलट प्रोजेक्ट बच्चे लॉन्च करना चाहते हैं, और प्रयागराज में उन्होंने अलाउ कर दिया पायलट प्रोजेक्ट, और वो काफी अच्छा शुरुआत हुई। Now they are doing something to improve it. So come on with the ideas, have interaction. If there is something, we will please publicize it like anything. तो अपने आप मार्केट में जनरेट करें। अभी तो आपके पास प्लेटफॉर्म है, अभी आपको कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है।
Sure, sir.
And I'm already, I'm always available for these kinds of things.
That's so kind of you, sir. Thank you, Rajesh.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So now we have Prakhar sir who has a question.
Good afternoon, everyone. Actually, I have two questions. My first question is for Uday sir. Sir, how to evaluate the market reach of our idea? Like before investing in some idea, how can we judge whether it is worth it or customers will like it? We can do surveys, or what all platforms can we use? And my second question is for Shashank. You were connected with Rotary, and you have been doing some social. So I would like to ask, like, what are the you can fund social startup? Like last year, a social startup had started MNIT. Well, it is still running. And where can we gain some funds for startups?
I think I couldn't hear you completely, but I think your question was how to evaluate an idea.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I kind of mentioned it earlier also. Since it's a vital question, I'll repeat it. You should take your idea to customers before even you build your product. Okay. So take your idea, make a sketch of your products, take it to your customer, take the views from your customer, do a lot of survey with your customers, talk to them, personally talk to them, you say that this is the product, this is the idea, this is the benefits for the customers, take this feedback from the customers. Or it will be a to and fro session until the customers say, yes, it is really super duper. That is when I would say you should start making the product.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And the next part of your question was Rotary, and then your voice was breaking at that time.
Sir, I was asking that since you're connected with Rotary, I wanted to ask you that what different organizations when we can seek fund for social startups like these. Like we have a social startup running in MNIT named Anokhi Pehl, and what can we do to gain resources for that?
So it depends what kind of idea you have. There are various social organizations who would be happy to fund you, and even government funds many of such social initiatives. CSR funds are also there. It depends what your idea is and what is the scale of your funds and what is the outreach of your social initiative. Let me know offline over email. We'll address that.
Yeah.
एक brief प्रखर अनोखी पहल के बारे में बता दीजिए क्या what MNIT is doing in अनोखी पहल, what you students are doing for अनोखी पहल, थोड़ा सा brief कर दीजिए.
Sir, actually, Anokhi Pahal is a startup in the domain of education, and it's not basically a startup currently. It was initiated by one of my batchmate in his second year, Kanad Kumar Amar, and it is still running with full zeal in MNIT. Actually, students from all over Prayagraj who are not much well-to-do and could not afford coachings, the students of MNIT bring them to the college, and they teach them daily from 6 to 8, from class 1 to class 12. We also prepare them from JEE level.
Means you want to say the underprivileged children around the college area, you have been teaching them and helping them in education. That's all. That is what I think. Few more activities you are doing in Anokhi Pahal apart from education.
Yes, sir. A lot of activities are being done, and apart from education, there is a event named Antyodaya, which is organized on the Children's Day every year, and we organize different contests of cultural and scientific projects, activities for different students who are part of Anokhi Pahal, and also from different schools which are running in Prayagraj. And currently, the current batch of Anokhi Pahal, the current coordinators of Anokhi Pahal, they are running online classes also for such students because it is not possible for offline classes. Yeah.
How those students are taking online classes, Prakhar, those underprivileged children, are we providing them some technical guidance or setup so that they can take those classes?
Sir, I am not.
My second question is, how was their results? आप ये शायद 2 साल से अनोखी पहल चल रही है, तो इस बार के रिजल्ट्स कुछ बताइए कि उनके बच्चों के जो भी एग्जाम्स उन्होंने दिए वो रिजल्ट्स कैसे रहे?
Manjeet sir, Prakhar is not directly related to this, so I think he may not be able to give exact answer. He has given some brief about this program, Anokhi Pahal.
So anyone if is there बताना चाहे, क्योंकि हमारे पास इतने illuminous लोग आए हुए हैं, आप लोग अच्छा काम कर रहे हो तो
we have along with us Chirayu. He's the current final year coordinator for Anokhi Pahal. If he can bring some light on it.
Yeah, like I would like to add something on the results. So this year, a girl from class 12th scored 96%. It was around 95 point something percentage in science stream, and there are a couple of students from class 10th who scored more than 85%. So like overall results is we can say kinda decent because the background they belong to, and coming out of that background, it is scoring 80%. Still, it matters. So, and I think that result is kinda decent from these students.
Yeah, it's a very good result. It's a big achievement.
मैं इसमें ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि हमारे बच्चों का जो डेडिकेटेड एफर्ट्स रहा और स्लम्स में, बस्तियों में, अंडर प्रिविलेज जगहों पर जा करके उनके पेरेंट्स को कन्विंस करना, उनको घर से ले आना, उनके घर पहुंचाना वापस, एक कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग जो किया इन लोगों ने, दैट वाज वेरी गुड और उसका इम्पैक्ट बहुत अच्छा था। और शाम को कैंपस में 6 से 8:30 बजे तक ये लोग मैंने ट्यूटोरियल रूम सब खुलवा दिए थे, तो उसमें क्लासेस होती थी और बहुत अच्छा माहौल था। और उसमें कुछ फिर लोगों ने अपने से फंडिंग करना शुरू किया, टीचर्स ने, उससे कुछ बच्चों को जो एडमिशन स्कूल्स में कराए गए उनकी फीस वगैरह भी शायद दी गई, जहाँ तक मुझे जानकारी है। तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव था। पिछले 3 साल से तो चल ही रहा था बहुत ही इफेक्टिवली, एंड आई एम श्योर कि वो टीम ऐसी इन लोगों ने बनाई होगी कि वो आगे भी चलता रहेगा. आई एम प्राउड टू से दैट.
Very good initiative, sir. I appreciate these initiatives.
अब इसमें पैसा क्या चाहिए, मतलब कितना चाहिए?
ऐसा ना, पैसे का बहुत ज्यादा कोई ऐसा वो नहीं है. पैसा वैसा यहाँ हो भी जाता है, और कुछ एलुमनाई एसोसिएशन ने भी बाद में सपोर्ट किया था. पैसा इन लोगों को, अब जैसे ये लोग कहने लगे कि हमको एक टेम्पो हायर करेंगे जिसमें हम बच्चों को भर के ले आएंगे. अभी जैसे हम पैदल लाइन लगवा करके ले आते हैं, तो एक ये आइडिया था. फिर दूसरा, जब चिल्ड्रंस डे करते हैं तो उसमें पूरा हॉल भरता है बच्चों को, बाकी बच्चों को भी बुलाते हैं डिफरेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन से, उनको बस्ता देना, टी शर्ट देना, और ये जो पढ़ाई लिखाई का है उसको देना. बहुत ज्यादा पैसा नहीं इन्वॉल्व है उसमें.
तो बहुत ज्यादा पैसा नहीं है. मैं जैसे रोटरी का बता सकता हूँ, 10-20 मतलब 30 लाख रुपए से लेके, मतलब $30,000 से लेके अप टू 2 करोड़ तक, अगर कोई सेटअप करना हो, उसमें फिक्स कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट लगती हो, लैब लगती हो, कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट करना हो, तो बिल्कुल ग्रैंड प्रोजेक्ट बनता है. उसमें 25% से बाकी पैसा से मिल जाता है. तो उसका इम्पैक्ट होना चाहिए, कम्युनिटी इम्पैक्ट होना चाहिए उस चीज के ऊपर. ऐसे अपॉर्चुनिटीज तो होते हैं. 2-5 लाख लेवल पे कॉलेज में करते हैं.
To the best of my knowledge, no activity of that group has been stopped or discouraged because of the financial support. But yes, you are right that there has to be a structured way by which we can sustain these kinds of projects, and we can further add value to these kinds of projects. Yes, I will request the Anokhi Pahal coordinator, if he is here, or Prakhar, you can convey this to your coordinators. I will also talk to them to prepare a very structured kind of thing. Sustainable structure should be there, and any sustainable structure development requires some kind of financial assistance, and then probably, as suggested by you, we can apply and we can give it to you. Thank you for your input.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, as you mentioned, we also have support from our professors, and regularly whatever small funds we need, they always help us with that. And further, the point of this question was only to include more and more colleges to start such initiatives which require a bigger base. So that is a future prospect of Anokhi Pahal. So I would like to bring in Neeraj Balani. He has been raising hand since a quite long time. Neeraj.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes.
Go ahead, please.
First of all, I would like to thank all the respected alumni and our respected director, sir, and Dr. K.N. Pandey, who bring this opportunity for us to interact with all of you. Sir, I am from third year production and industrial engineering, and we have been doing a project of electric hybrid bicycle. So we have done this project under Dr. Jitendra Nayan Gangwar, sir, and Dr. K.N. Pandey itself. Also, sir, I would like to tell you that we are currently planning to convert this project or this prototype into a startup, which will be incubated within our college first and then in the Allahabad city. So the basic question which I had is, we had a good planning for it. We had done the alpha testing, and we are currently planning the beta testing for our prototype also. We have got good testing results, and the product is good enough to show up in the market, as there are very less startups of hybrid bicycles or electric bicycles in UP from Uttar Pradesh. So what we were planning is, as Design Innovation Center or Institute Innovation Center provided us with the fund for the prototype completely, we were not able to get the fund from outside, but our college get us the whole fund. Now what we are planning is, to convert this into a startup, we need a good amount of fund. So should we go for angel funding to some organizations, or should we start it from our side only, as we have a good team and workforce who can also put in monetary support for us?
कितना पैसा चाहिए? What is the quantum of fund that you need?
Yes, sir. Sir, for starting this startup in the college only, we need at least 3 to 4 lakh of angel funding in the starting.
ठीक है, तो ये तो आपस में ही करके होगा. एंजल इन्वेस्टर 3-4 लाख रुपए लगाने के लिए नहीं आता. एंजल इन्वेस्टर के साथ मीटिंग करते हैं तो उसी का 3-4 लाख रुपए हवाई जहाज से आने जाने होटल में रहने में खर्चा हो जाता है. सो ऑल दिस हैज टू बी डन वहीं पे अपना कर सकते हैं.
Okay. Because sir, we have a good workforce. Yes, sir. We have a good team.
Sir, would you suggest
Just to add to that,
crowdsourcing for such an idea?
Sorry?
For his idea, would you
crowdsourcing
suggest
is also a good
crowdsourcing?
platform.
Create a prototype or try to awareness and interest
You can
जगाने
do
के
that.
लिए
You can do
crowdsourcing.
that. Crowdsourcing is a good idea.
Yeah, crowdsourcing is a good idea.
You can do that.
I would like to welcome Milind sir also. Milind sir is our 80 batch alumni. I think 1 month back we had a webinar on startup. Milind sir participated in that. He is a very well settled entrepreneur and a loving alumni for all of us. We are always seeking his guidance and blessings and love for whatever support it has been required. He is always there 24/7 for not only for Mumbai alumni, even for all across globally, I'll say. Now Milind sir has become global now.
Thank you so much.
And it's his presence here shows the keenness for his alma mater and for the industry and for all of us. This is what I wanted to emphasize. Okay, sir ने अपना एक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का सेशन करके अपना काम खत्म नहीं किया. He is present here. मैं देख रहा हूँ 1 घंटे से यहाँ पे he is available here. This is what I really love, his passion. And this is what I think Shashank was telling के बच्चों को अगर किसी को स्टार्टअप में करना है तो पैशन, उदय ने भी यही कहा, पैशन होना चाहिए.
Thank you so much.
Passion is a must.
अभी जो बात हो रही थी कि जो उनको 3-4 लाख का फंड्स चाहिए वो बाइसिकल के लिए, व्हाई नॉट हम हमारे माँ के थ्रू उसको फंड कर सके, क्योंकि अभी तो हमारी काफी अच्छी एसोसिएशन हो गई है और माँ में काफी लोग जुड़ रहे हैं, तो उनकी तरफ से हम उनको फंड करें तो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा. हमारे अंडर वो काम करेंगे और हम उनको गाइड भी कर सकते हैं.
Correct, exactly. Whatever the funding is, it should be through Ma only, I think.
Yes.
क्योंकि
माँ
उसके अंदर
थोड़ा सा एसोसिएशन
जी. Ma is basically Shashank and Uday. Ma is the main alumni association body for the college. This is the main alumni association body.
तो मुझे लगता है
मोनार्को एलुमनी एसोसिएशन
ज्यादा करना चाहिए इस केस में.
Yes, we will try to explore this possibility with the association with VP 1, Professor Mukul Sukla, and Secretary Vandana Agarwal.
Thank you so much, sir, for the guidance and the putting up of my idea in front of all of you. It is a very big opportunity that I've got.
यार हम लोग तुम लोगों के लिए ही ये सब कर रहे हैं बेसिकली, एटलीस्ट तुम लोगों को मेंटरिंग करके गाइडेंस दे सकें और व्हाटएवर द बेस्ट सपोर्ट एज एन एलुमनी वन कैन डू.
Sir, Director Sir was saying something, sir.
I really appreciate the idea of funding from Ma, but Pandeji, if you are aware about these projects,
yes,
because as the student has mentioned that you are mentor, recently I got some call for proposal, and last week, which I circulated to all the departments also. You can talk to me tomorrow, and I'll share that detail with you. And that's a good opportunity from Ministry of this MSME, जो कि इस तरह के आइडियाज को कुछ आगे नर्चर करने की बात कर रहा है. वो मैंने भेजा भी है सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स को.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
We can take up that.
Okay, sir. Certainly, I will meet tomorrow. You, sir.
हाँ.
चलिए सर, बातें करके ही कुछ ना कुछ आइडियाज भी निकल के आते हैं।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, आओ बात करें, ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट सेंटेंस है।
इसमें बहुत सारी कंपनीज के ना बहुत अच्छे प्रोग्राम्स हैं, जैसे गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का ही है एमएसएमई फैसिलिटेशन सेंटर है, उसको हम हमारे कॉलेज में कर सकते हैं। जैसे कंपनी है बॉश, वो अपना पूरा सेंटर करके देती है, उसमें सारे इक्विपमेंट और ये वो सारी चीजें करके देती है। उसमें आप आसपास के जो बच्चों जिनको बुला रहे हैं उनको ट्रेनिंग दे सकते हैं, फ्री में दे सकते हैं, उनकी लाइवलीहुड सेट हो जाती है। अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत सारी है, ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करेंगे तो आइडियाज बहुत निकलेंगे।
अच्छा, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर। सर, ये बॉस का सेंटर हम आपसे बाद में इंटरेक्ट करेंगे, कैसे इसे अपने इंस्टीट्यूट में हम लोग ला सकते हैं।
डेफिनेटली।
बिल्कुल सर।
तो शशांक जी से मुझे मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि जैसे मैं इनका जो प्रेजेंटेशन है वो मैं देख रहा था, उन्होंने बोला था कि आजकल मैं बिजनेस का काम बहुत कम करता हूं और बाकी फैमिली और सोशल इसमें ज़्यादा रहता हूं। तो मैं चाहता हूं कि शशांक जी माँ में भी कुछ अपना योगदान दे, और हमारे लिए मतलब स्पेशली माँ के लिए ये सबसे बड़ा उनका योगदान रहेगा, क्योंकि आज तक ऐसे, और मुझे तो मंजीत जी का भी थैंक यू करना चाहिए कि वो सब लोगों को एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे लेके आ रहे हैं। नहीं तो अभी तक तो हम सब बिखरे हुए मोती थी, और अब हम
अब माला बन रहे हैं।
तो हम एक बहुत अच्छी माला बनाते हैं।
हाँ।
और काफी अच्छा काम करेंगे। तो शशांक जी, आप थोड़ा मैं आपका जो भी समय आपके यहाँ पे फ्री समय है, जैसे आपने बोला है कि आपके पास काफी फ्री समय है, तो आप थोड़ा माँ में उसमें दीजिए।
Sir, I want to take this opportunity and this stage to say something about this scholarship scheme for our students. हम अपने सभी अलुमनाई से ये अपील करना चाहेंगे कि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कुछ स्कॉलरशिप वाली स्कीम भी आप शुरू कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि आप कोई एक कॉर्पस फंड दे दीजिए और उसके इंटरेस्ट से हम किसी नीडी स्टूडेंट को, जैसा आप चाहेंगे आपके क्राइटेरिया के हिसाब से, उनको हम स्कॉलरशिप दे देंगे, जिससे उनके पढ़ने में कोई सहायता हो सके। तो आई अपील टू ऑल माय एलुमनाइज टू प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड and institute an scholarship for a needy students.
सर, आपको मैं बधाई देना चाहता हूं। कल ही हम लोगों ने लखनऊ एसोसिएशन की मीटिंग करी है। हाँ। उसमें इसके बेसिस के ऊपर ही जो आप लोगों के सुझाव थे, एक प्रस्ताव हम लोगों ने एग्जीक्यूटिव बॉडी में पारित किया है कि 3 लाख रुपए का एक कॉर्पस फंड लखनऊ एलुमनी एसोसिएशन कॉलेज के एसोसिएशन को माँ को देगी, जिससे कि उसके इंटरेस्ट से आप किसी एक या दो नीडी बच्चे के सेमेस्टर में जो भी 15-20% मिलेगा, 15-20 हजार रुपया, वो आप उससे उसकी हेल्प कर सकते हैं। ये कल ही शाम को हम लोगों ने एलुमनी एसोसिएशन में एग्जीक्यूटिव बॉडी में ये पारित की है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर। इस समय इंटरेस्ट रेट 5.1 के करीब है, 1.4 के करीब है। तो अगर आप 3 लाख रुपए देते हैं तो 15,000 रुपए करीब हो जाता है एक साल में। तो उससे एक स्टूडेंट को कुछ तो सहायता मिल ही जाएगा।
बेसिकली वो नीडी बच्चे के लिए, बेसिकली हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया कि नीडी बच्चे के लिए, और जिसकी परसेंटाइल भी ठीक हो, वो क्राइटेरिया भी आप मंथन कर लेंगे आपसे बात बैठ के। तो इस तरीके से अगर और जगह से भी हो जाएगा तो कम से कम 2-4-5 भी।
सर, ये सारे क्राइटेरिया बने हुए हैं, हम आपको डॉक्यूमेंट भी दे देंगे।
जी सर, जी सर।
हम लोगों ने इस पे काफी विचार किया है और इसके सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स तैयार हैं हम लोगों के पास।
जी सर, जी सर। आप वो शेयर करें तो उसको और भी इसमें हमारा जो छोटा सा प्रयास हम लोगों ने कल ही मालूम चला और कल ही हम लोगों ने इसको पारित किया, और इस तरीके से मेरे ख्याल से कई जगह पे ये आपको इस तरीके से सपोर्ट मिल जाएगा।
यस यस। मिस्टर सुशांत, साहिल वर्मा है।
यस सर, यस सर।
हाँ, उनको जरा बात करा दीजिए।
हाँ सर, मूविंग अहेड, साहिल सर प्लीज आस्क योर क्वेश्चन।
A very good afternoon to one and all. Myself Sahil Verma, Mechanical Engineering 2017 pass out. Right now I'm working as a Research and Development Engineer in Tega Industries, Kolkata. So my proposition was I would like to add to Mr. Neeraj that they are doing this hybrid electric vehicle project there. So we were the first batch who had taken up this initiative and done the hybrid electric vehicle project, and we had gone to lovely professional university Jalandhar for the competition. So that was the starting initiative over there, and we have pitched this idea to the Design and Innovation Center meeting at IIT BHU, which was conducted by MHRD, Government of India. This was, and our project mentor was Mr. Saraswati sir and Mr. Gangwa sir. So I would just like to ask this question to KN Pandey sir and Rajiv sir. If I am working as in a job right now, and what would happen if I would like to pursue this startup and I could guide the students. So if I plan to leave my job and go back to the campus of Motilal and take up this initiative and work there and maybe incubate the startup. So would it be possible? Would the college be able to support this kind of initiative?
Mr. Sahil, as far as institute is concerned, I will consult directors and also institute has no any objection. Whatever objection will be from your employer side, as far as I think. Sir, director sir.
जैसा भी साहिल का प्रस्ताव था, so what exactly you need support? What kind of support you need from the campus or the institution?
Sir,
I'll just add one thing. We as an institution, we are always there to support our alumni because as of now your status is alumni. So slightly different तो हो जाता है student और alumni के support के point of view से. But we have supported a group of alumni. पांडे जी ने ही support किया उसको. They wanted to start something and we facilitated whatever they wanted from the institute. And they COVID के चक्कर में थोड़ा सा delay हो गया उनका project. नहीं तो हम उनको support कर रहे हैं. So what specifically, what kind of support you would like to have from the institution? If you spell out separately, then we can explore all the possibilities. I'm all there to support the alumni also.
सर मेरा कहने का साहिल का ये मतलब तो नहीं है कि वो अपनी जॉब छोड़ के फुल टाइम इस काम को करना चाहते हैं. अगर वो चीज वो क्लियर करें जरा डायरेक्टर सर को, ताकि उनकी बात पूरी तरह समझ में आए. वो
वो उन्होंने कहा अपनी बात में उन्होंने कहा कि if I want to leave the job and तो मेरे ख्याल से अभी so that is why because see Manjit bhai, this is something which he is taking a decision और कभी भी इस तरह के डिसीजन में हमेशा रिस्क फैक्टर्स भी इन्वॉल्व रहते ही हैं. तो that is what he has to evaluate and what.
But here I would like to say कि why to leave the job for this? This is not full time project जिसमें आपके गाइडेंस की जरूरत है. फिर कॉलेज की फैकल्टी ऑलरेडी है, तो इसमें तो अगर वो पार्ट टाइम भी अगर अपने स्टूडेंट्स को एलुमनी की मेंटरिंग करना चाहें, इट्स वन कैन डू. फिर आजकल टेक्नोलॉजी की हेल्प टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ आप कलकत्ता में बैठे हुए भी आप हेल्प कर सकते हैं. पर्पस आपका खाली इसके लिए नौकरी छोड़ के आने का या अपना स्टार्टअप कर रहा है तो एक अलग बात है.
नहीं, let him take a decision. He is pass out of 17. He is not a current student. He has got 3 years of experience. He must have seen the market. So let him decide and let him come out with the proposal that what kind of support he would require from the institution. But I am always open for this kind of support also.
Sir, I would just like to add clarity to this. मतलब मेरा ये कहने का मतलब था कि मेरे को ऐसे भी मैं सोच रहा था एक स्टार्टअप करने का इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल के सेगमेंट में. तो मैं एक्सप्लोर कर रहा था कि मार्केट में किस किस तरह से कॉलेजेस ने सपोर्ट किया है. तो अगर आप लोगों के नॉलेज में होगी, एथर एनर्जी करके एक इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर स्टार्टअप है बैंगलोर में. तो द पास आउट्स आर फ्रॉम स्टार्टअप में और पीपल आर फ्रॉम IIT मद्रास. तो उन्होंने कॉलेज गए और कॉलेज से ऐसा सपोर्ट मिला कि वो अपने प्रोफेसर्स के अंडर रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट्स किए. आफ्टर गोइंग इनटू जॉब दे हैव लेफ्ट द जॉब और रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट करते करते उन्होंने स्टार्टअप किया, कॉलेज में लैब्स और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को यूटिलाइज किया और उन्होंने एक व्हीकल बनाई और उसको जाके लॉन्च किया. तो आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग सिमिलर काइंड सपोर्ट कैन बी प्रोवाइडेड और नॉट बाय द कॉलेज. Anyways, I will give a proposal later.
अरे यार इसमें कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है. लैब है, मास्टर है, ये सब किसके लिए है? बच्चों के लिए ही तो है. हमारा करंट बच्चा यूज करे या पास आउट बच्चा यूज करे, हाउ डज इट मैटर? until you enjoy the good relationship with your mentor, with your supervisor, with the faculty, and for using the resources available in the department. If the faculty is supporting you, no need to come to me also.
Sir, I think
People are doing these things.
Sir, I think what he means is कि through research projects he will have some income for a few months till his startup idea picks up steam.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, मैं वही बात कह रहा था कि अगर केवल इतने से सपोर्ट की बात है तो इतना से सपोर्ट तो हमेशा रहेगा. If you want something in terms of financial things, then every financial principle needs to be examined and needs to be explored from where the funding will come. Right? So that's what I was saying, that if you spell out separately what type of exact support you need from us, that can be worked out. There is no issue.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, I think we are now running out of time. So, if all of you agree, Pandey sir, तो क्या end कर सकते हैं हम लोग?
Yes. Certainly, sir. Director sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Rajiv sir, few words of encouragement from you, and then we will conclude.
Words से बहुत ज़्यादा तो बुलवा लिया आपने, अभी और भी बुलवाना.
वो उसके बावजूद भी जब कंक्लूड होता है तो जब तक आपके फ्यू वर्ड्स नहीं होते तब तक वो लगता है कि अभी मिठाई मिली नहीं.
नहीं साहब, मैं मिठाई बिल्कुल देने को तैयार हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है. So, right, dear student welfare, Professor K.N. Pandey साहब, and my all distinguished Motis, Shashank, Uday, and yes, a special mention to Milind Saab, or the main connecting force behind all the alumni, Manjeet ji and his team. Then the student mentorship program convener, student convener Prakhar and Sushant, and all others who are involved. Right from the day one when I joined this institute as director, I always appeal to all my alumni, let us have a connect. I never appeal for anything specific. I always appeal at all the forums that let us have a connect. And I told them what type of connect also I need, because there was an issue that there was no official alumni website. So first step which we took is to install our official alumni website. So now the way in which you can connect, that also I am telling that take out at least a minimum 1 hour time in 15 days, 20 days, whatever you can spend. I am just seeking 1 hour time maybe in a week. Go through the alumni website, go through our own institute website, and see the activities. And then I am always open to take the feedback from where, on which activity or where you can put your contribution. When I say contribution, I don't mean the contribution only in terms of financial contribution. Yes, it is indeed an important component, but since all of you are so experienced that you go to your department's website and whatever you have felt during your course of study, that these are the things where I can contribute. You can contribute intellectually, you can contribute in terms of courses, you can contribute in terms of mentorship, you can contribute in terms of giving an idea for industrial project, maybe at BTech level, MTech level, or PhD level, anything, whatever you feel like looking at the website and the informations available. And as I said, that I'm always open, and you can either write to your faculty concerned, or you can even directly write it to me. I will get it channelized. As far as the financial support part is concerned, I'm happy that everybody is there, everybody is open for these kinds of support, and they are contributing their bit wherever they are able to contribute. For that also different kind of models are there, and one is directly to the institution, another is through alumni association, and for both of them in our institute website, if you see, there is a separate button which is given, and you can see which way you can support, or your group can support, your batch can support. All those things are available. So that's what my request is, that if you can give 1 hour time, I'm asking just for 1 hour time of yours per week for your this alma mater, and see what you can do. It's not necessary that every time you are going to give some ideas. Whenever the idea comes, you just write it to us, and we will try to connect it there. Then also you will feel connected with the institutions. हमारे यहाँ problem क्या था कि over the period of last so many years, somehow this alumni association हम लोग केवल एक ritual की तरह साल भर में एक फंक्शन करते थे और उसको वहीं पर बहुत सारा इमोशंस जागृत होता था, बहुत सारी बातें होती थी और वहीं पर उसको खत्म कर देते थे और वो कैरी फॉरवर्ड नहीं होता था. तो यस आई नो हर आदमी अपनी अपनी जगह पर व्यस्त है, फैमिली कमिटमेंट्स हैं, सोशल कमिटमेंट्स हैं, प्रोफेशनल कमिटमेंट्स हैं. आई अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. तो होता क्या था कि जब आए तो बहुत सारी बातें हुई और but I just wanted to push it forward. So from 2016 onwards, I am trying to do this, and this is the platform. I am happy that all the distinguished alumni, Motis, connect हो रहे हैं इसके through, and I am confident that with the efforts of all of us, we will take it forward, and we will have very strong association with our all the distinguished alumni, and that will give another dimension to our relationship, another dimension in the institute progress overall. So thank you all for connecting, thank you all for sharing, and my special thanks to Manjeet Sahab. Manjeet Sahab ने इतना vibration अच्छा create कर दिया है over the period of 2-3 years जो मैं देख रहा हूँ कि सब जगह इतने सारे ग्रुप बना करके सबसे कनेक्ट होना, सबके बारे में जानकारी रखना. So I must congratulate and his untiring efforts which he is making, and I extend my good wishes also to all of you, and I look forward to meet you anywhere, anytime, wherever the opportunity comes. So once again, thank you all for providing me this opportunity to interact with you all. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. Sir, now I would like to call Dean sir to say few words.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Sushant. I want to take this opportunity to present before our students and alumni the student mentorship program of the institute. Before that, I am very much thankful to our illustrious alumni, Mr. Sasank Rastogi and Mr. Uday Nadiwade, for agreeing to present this webinar to our students. I am also thankful to Manjeet sir, our student coordinators, Prakhar and Sushant, above all, our director, Professor Tripathi. This student mentorship program, I want to present before our students and alumni, is to have a better interaction among the students with respect to academics and other personal issues. A students mentorship program was started from previous session 1991 and 20. The basic idea of this mentorship program is the getting experience of the seniors and the alumni in their academics and whatever they want to do in their future endeavor, like preparation of different examinations, like services or the civil services or GATE or startup or venturing towards higher education and others. So I request our illustrious alumni to please become part of this student mentorship program. In this student mentorship program, we have also started a new thing, which is a human library, which is a notional library, and the notional books are our alumni. And the students will read these notional books. Like the meaning is they will just interact with the alumni to solve their problems, like how to prepare different exams, like for the civil services, engineering services, GATE, GRE, TOEFL, or venturing towards higher education, either inside the country or outside the country. So for that, we are making a mechanism in which the student will have interaction with the students. I will just invite all our alumni to become part of this human library and the student mentorship program. We will go ahead with you through your mail ID or WhatsApp group, and we will invite you to join in this program. So I am taking this opportunity to invite you all in our student mentorship program and the human library program of our institute. With this, again, I am very much thankful to all the students, all the alumni, above all our students, the student coordinators, our directors, for making this student mentorship program realizing and conduction of different webinars. So once again, very much thankful.
मैं एक चीज मैं जस्ट जाने के पहले ऐड करना चाहता था कि इट्स वेरी वेल टेकन योर mentorship program, and primarily whatever we did till now during this COVID period, we organized different webinar and we tried to connect alumni in the form of mainly it was focused towards the professional mentorship in terms of a startup, in terms of civil services, in terms of career. One aspect of this mentorship program is to look at the mental mentorship of the students, and that is where I want this student mentorship activity to be further penetrated among the current students. And if there is some kind of mental issues, emotional issues, that the current students should try to find out, because वो सारी चीजें हम लोगों को नहीं पता चलती है, वो बच्चे जो वहाँ कैंपस में रहते हैं उन्हीं को पता चलती है कि ये बच्चा इस तरह से कुछ प्रॉब्लम में है, और उसको भी हम लोगों को आगे टेक केयर करना चाहिए. जैसे अभी कोविड के टाइम पर मुझे प्रखर नहीं बताया कि एक बांग्लादेशी लड़का है, वो इशू है कुछ उसके साथ, and we all took care of it, and I'm proud to say कि वो बिल्कुल इस समय हैप्पी है और अपने घर वापस गया 3-4 महीने के बाद. तो ये बहुत ही एक इम्पॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट है किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूशन में, और हमारे पास रिसोर्सेज सब होते हैं, वो बच्चे हम नहीं कभी-कभी आइडेंटिफाई कर पाते, तो वो बच्चे आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए बच्चों से ही पता चलेगा कि इसको इस तरह के issues है. तो that is also another aspect of this mentorship program. कई बार कई सारी चीजें होती हैं बच्चों के साथ, कोई फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज है, कोई इमोशनल इश्यूज हैं, और ये एज ग्रुप ऐसी होती है कि जिसमें कहीं न कहीं से कुछ न कुछ सपोर्ट type of mental support kind of thing is required. So I'll appeal all the student coordinators and volunteers who are attached with this student mentorship program to penetrate this aspect of mentorship program also in the campus. Thank you.
जी सर, एक्चुअली एक हम लोगों ने बहुत छोटे लेवल पर स्टार्ट किया था अभी मेंटल प्रोग्राम के लिए, तो उसके रिजल्ट्स तो काफी अच्छे मिले.
जी सर, मैं सर इसमें एक और चीज ऐड करना चाहूंगा. अभी पीछे हम लोगों ने पॉजिटिविटी के ऊपर एक वेबिनार की थी, मीनाक्षी गुप्ता की, हमारी 2004 की एलुमिनी है वो, और वो इसके अलावा शी इज अ वेरी प्रोफेशनल, वो उनके कई और वेबिनार्स भी चलते रहते हैं हैप्पीनेस के ऊपर और इससे रिलेटेड चीजों के ऊपर. तो अगर आप लोग समझते हैं कि इन चीजों की इंपॉर्टेंस है, तो उनके हस्बैंड अंकुश गुप्ता वो भी 2004 के ही एल्यूमिनी है, तो उनको भी ही इज मतलब वेरी रिनाउंड, समझ लीजिए उनकी वेबिनार समझिए every second day is doing a webinar on social work, on society, on happiness, on something related to these topics which are touching and emotional and inspirational and motivational. तो अगर आप लोग ठीक समझे तो इस टॉपिक्स के ऊपर भी हम लोग we can have more webinars for our students, which is आज के समय में बहुत important है। जी
मंजीत सर मैं यहाँ एक चीज बताना चाहूंगा कि with the encouragement of our director sir, in addition to student mentorship program, we have started a student counseling program also, in which faculty counselor and one professional counselor is attached with the institute on contract. And he,
गीतिका मैम ने बताया था सर वो।
यस वो जो प्रोफेशनल काउंसलर हैं वो सैटरडे संडे को हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट में आते थे और स्टूडेंट उनसे आकर के बातें करते थे। आज के समय में जब स्टूडेंट हमारे यहाँ नहीं हैं तो वो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स के थ्रू स्टूडेंट्स के कांटेक्ट में रहते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स को हम लोगों ने उनका लिंक दे दिया है और स्टूडेंट जब भी ऐसी कोई उनको प्रॉब्लम होती है तो वो उनसे कांटेक्ट करते हैं। और हम यस तो हम इस प्लेटफॉर्म को यूज करना चाह रहे हैं इस मैसेज को और स्प्रेड अप करने के लिए। जितने भी स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे हैं हम उन्हें कहेंगे कि इस चीज को वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा सर्कुलेट करें कि सैटरडे संडे को 10 बजे से 12 बजे तक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम पे वो प्रोफेशनल काउंसलर उपलब्ध रहते हैं। किसी भी स्टूडेंट को अगर ऐसी कोई समस्या है तो वो उनसे कांटेक्ट करे। ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू।
आपके एफर्ट्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत अच्छी जगह पे हैं। मैं ब्रॉड व्यू ले रहा था कोविड को देखते हुए, अगर कोई इन चीजों पे और अगर एग्रेसिवली वेबिनार्स भी अगर हम करें तो वो भी एक उसका फार रीचिंग इफेक्ट होगा, जैसा कि ऑलरेडी पॉजिटिविटी के वेबिनार में हम लोगों ने देखा था सर।
यस सर, वी विल थिंक अबाउट दिस।
Thank you very much, Shashank. Thank you very much, Milan sir. Uday ji.
Thank you very much.
It was really great opportunity interacting you all, and I think we all have benefited a lot from all of us.
शशांक सर एंड उदय सर, एक मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा कि हमारा एक माँ और इस एसएमपी का एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है, उसमें हम आपको शामिल करना चाहते हैं।
Sure,
हो तो हम लोग उसमें आपको शामिल कर लें।
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है सर, वो ऐड कर लेंगे सर।
ओके, थैंक यू सर,
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू डीन सर, थैंक यू डायरेक्टर,
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
सभी लोगों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार।
Thank you, sir.